voice notification. This was actually a miss in the new app. If you have a number that is able to receive text, we cannot stop people from sending you a text message or making a call, because it's a real number. So you can turn off. You can have a do not call. You can also have a new feature we're going to talk about for texting. I think you're going to like it. All right, that's upcoming. But for voice, if you want to actually receive the email notifications once somebody calls you, you don't have to. That option was missing. So Anne, could you talk us through what it is we do? How could they find that?
Of course. So in your numbers page, once you click on a phone number, you can scroll down and you can see we've added this missed calls voicemail option. And you can toggle it on to turn that feature on for notifications. And you can also edit. In a lot of cases, you won't have an email here yet, so you would need to edit and add your email or whoever's email that you want to receive those notifications. And then once you get a missed call or a voicemail, it will actually send you an email notification with that information so that you know to follow up with that.
Excellent.